Dear friends, we will discuss some of the methods of the nomenclature, especially the type method. In December 2017, there was 2 mark question from this section. I hope that this time you will also get benefit from this discussion. The name of the any taxonomic group is based on some type. Suppose we call a family, so there should be a genus in this family on which basis this family is known for. The genus is a type of a family and higher groups, whereas the species is a type of the genus. Means the name of the genus is based on the type of any species it contains. There are some monotypic genus and there are some polytypic genus. So any one species of this genus is the nomenclature type upon which the genus is known for. A single type of the specimen which is preserved in a known herbarium and identified by the places of the collection, name of the collector and his collection number is the type of the name of a species or infra-specific taxon. So name of the higher group and family based on the genus, and name of the genus is based on the species, and the name of the species is ultimately name of the plants collections. So there is a gradual refinements of the specific name. So this is the type method. The nomenclature code recognizes several kinds of the type like holotype, isotype, syntype, paratype, lectotype and nutype. Holotype. When a single specimen is clearly designated in the original description, this specimen is known as the holotype of that species. The holotype is typically placed in a major museum or similar well-known public collection so that it is freely available for later examination by the biologist. So holotype is the original one. Holotype is a specimen mounted either on a single herbarium sheet or in a box, packet, jar or microscopic slides. Type of a specimen of the names of the taxon must be preserved permanently and may not be living plant or culture. However, the exception of the culture is that culture of the fungi and algae can be a nomenclature type provided they are metabolically inactive, and we can make them metabolically inactive by cryopreservation, dry freezing, okay, and by other methods. It is mandatory to designate a holotype when publishing a new species. Very important point. So very important part is the holotype. Isotype. Isotype is the duplicate specimen of a holotype. Suppose someone has collected original plant from that place, the author can collect another specimen from the same place, and these are the iso means same, just like holotype. These are the isotype. Uh, so same person, same author, same locality, same date, it is the isotype. Often the collection number is also the same, but the difference between isotype and holotype is that isotype contains A, B, C, etc. Syntype. When no holotype was designated, then the author can represent one of the two or more specimens as the nomenclature type. Duplicate of syntype is isosyntype. So syntype is the collections of two or more specimens as the nomenclature type, whereas the iso and holotype, these are the single specimen. Paratype. Any specimen, paratype means parallel name. Any specimen cited in the original description that is not the holotype, nor an isotype, or nor one of the syntype. Okay, then it is the paratype. So paratype is different from holotype and syntype. Lectotype is specimen or the illustration designated to form the original material as the nomenclature type when there was no holotype specified or holotype has been lost or destroyed. So lectotype means the specimen is destroyed or lost. Then we use lectotype. A lectotype is selected from isotype or syntype. This is the first priority. Suppose there is a lost material, then we will collect lectotype and we will prefer iso or syntype. Iso means duplicate of holotype and syntype having more than one specimen on a sheet. In lectotype designation, an isotype must be chosen if exists, or otherwise syntype if exists. If neither a syntype or isotype exists, then we will use paratype if that exists as the lectotype. Neotype, a specimen or illustration selected to serve as the nomenclature type if no material from the original description is available. Neotype is a specimen or illustration selected when no holotype, isotype or paratype or syntype exists. So this is the neotype, means new. Topotype and epitypes. Topotype is often a name given to a specimen collected from the same locality from which the holotype was originally collected. And epitypes, it is the interpretative type. Okay, one important thing is the interpretative type. Is specimen or illustration selected to serve as the interpretative type usually when another kind of type does not show the critical feature needed for the identification. Means there is ambiguity. Then it is the epitype. Okay. Epitype is an interpretive type when holotype, lectotype or previously designated neotype or all original material associated with the validity published name is ambiguous. One important thing is the ambiguity is associated with the epitype, and the material cannot be identified for the purpose of the precise application of the name of the taxon. Okay, so there is topotype, neotype, paratype, lectotype, syntype, isotype and holotypes. So, okay, so this is the question number 2 marks question of December 17. Among the following statement, which is correct? One that refers to a holotype. Specimens collected from the different collection and designated as the type specimen by the author. A single specimen or illustration upon which the name is based and designated as a nomenclature by the author. This is the correct. Specimen collected different, no. A specimen designated to serve nomenclature type when all other material on which the name of the taxon was based is missing. It is the either paratype or neotype. Okay, so answer is the second one. So I think this will provide you at least 1-2 mark question, I think so, because this question came in 2017 and from that onward I have not seen any question relating with the type method. Okay, good luck.